Pump it. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. Yeah. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another fun-filled, quick and easy glam DIY to share with you all. And these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video to share with you all. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright, these are the picture frames that we're using today. They're 4x6 and they have these little hooks here which are so firm and nice. I'm not going to take them off. So here are the frames that we're using, and I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue, and we're going to glue our frames together. Now we're just going to turn our frames over and add some popsicle sticks for extra support. And while the E6000 is drying, I'm just going to use these little clips here I got from the Dollar Tree to help keep them together and firm support until they're dry a bit, and I'll remove them. Okay, so now our frame is all dry, so we are going to use this bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and some hot glue and bling out the top part of our frame, going all the way around. And you can use any adhesive that you would like to use. I'm just using some hot glue.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.
Now we have our mirrors from the Dollar Tree and these little mirror flower things from the Dollar Tree. Also, I took the sticker off the back and I'm going to use some hot glue, and then we remove the little foam that's protecting the mirror on top. And then we're just going to add our bling from Totally Dazzled, my favorite gems. You guys know I love to use them to decorate, so I'll just be adding them over the top.
You stay on my mind, on my mind. All the time. Need you right now. Need you right now. 'Cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing.
And now that our mirrors are ready, we are going to glue them to our frame here with some E6000. And you know what, you guys, the mesh wrap, I did go back over it with some E6000 because it wasn't sticking very good. For some reason, I don't know why, when I put the mirror on, it kept lifting. So I did go over back with some E6000. So while you're laying down your bling, just use the hot glue and the E6000 or any kind of strong adhesive that you would like to use to glue it down.
Hey, I'll be right, yeah. There's no way that I can do this all by myself. Ooh, yeah. Ooh,
And here's our finished look. I love how they turned out. I did make 2. And on my second set though, the middle flower in the middle is a little bigger on one of them because I did have too big of the flower little design thing, but one of them broke. OMG, it broke. So I had to make my other set of mirrors with the 3 small flowers in the middle instead of 2 small and 1 large. But I think they still look lovely. Yes, it did. It turned out very nice. And I love my gems from Totally Dazzled. OMG. Bling times 10. I absolutely love it. I love how they turned out. I think they look very nice.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. She's so vibey.
And here they are where I placed them in my kitchen. Yes, I have a wall next to the entrance of my kitchen, and that's where I placed them. Next to the eat sign, as you can see, and I think they look lovely. A very glam and easy DIY with items from the Dollar Tree and some from my favorite stores you guys know, Totally Dazzled. Yes. I'll leave a link down below in the description box for Totally Dazzled so you guys can go over and check them out and get some of these nice gems to decor your home also. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of this glam decor that I did today to share with you guys with items from the Dollar Tree, like I said, and Totally Dazzled. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, but tell me what you think. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you all for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one.
We're just vibing. We're just vibing. We're just vibing. Yeah. She's so vibey. She's so vibey.